Okay, so as we have completed chapter number 4 in 11th Science English medium computer subject, now we will see few MCQ questions regarding this chapter. So let's see, which one of the following is a type of layer? Well, the options are time bar, gradient, palette and animate editing mode, and the correct answer is gradient. Next, which of the following which of the below have their own layer? Options are object, element, effect, B parameter, object, panel, C time, parameter, layer, and D effect, object, panel. And the correct answer is A object, element, effect. Well, third, which of the following panel shows the parameters of a layer? Well, the options are layer, keyframe, params panel, or time track. Well, the answer is C params panel. And which of the following is the default settings for blend method? It means what is given as default value in blend method option. Well, the options are A composite, B alpha over, C straight, and D straight onto. Well, the answer is A composite. Next, using which of the following features we can apply an effect to one layer without applying it to the layers beneath it? Remember, normally what happens, whatever effect you give to a layer, it automatically affects all the layers beneath it. But there is a special option. So using that special option, you can just force the particular effect to display in particular group only. So options are encapsulate, encapsulation, groups, elements, and parameters, and the correct answer is encapsulation. Remember, in older version of Synfig, the option was known as encapsulation, but now in newer version it has been changed to groups. So actually we have to remember according to book. So the answer is encapsulation. Then next, in each individual element of the canvas is broken down into which of the following components? Well, the options are frames, layers, keyframes, and panels. Each individual element of the canvas is broken into layers. So answer is B, layers. Now next, which of the following feature is used to attach a vertex of an object to the following components? So the options are A link to object, B link to line, C link to B line, and D link to object. Well, for that the option is link to B line, option C. This option is situated in shortcut menu. So when you right click on the canvas on particular object, then it will display link to B line option. Next question, which of the following represents a new layer created after encapsulation option, not operation, option? Options are A inline layer, B inline name, C inline keyframe, or D inline canvas. Well, for that the answer is inline canvas, D option. So whenever you connect two different layers, whenever you combine two different layers using encapsulation option, then it will display a name inline canvas. Inside inline canvas it will show you the two layers that we have combined. So that option is inline canvas. Each layer has its own set of which of the following components: frames, keyframes, parameters, or panels? And the answer is parameters. So whatever you have created, whether it is a circle or rectangle, it shows few options regarding particular object. For example, the color of that particular object, the line size of that object. So all these options are known as parameters, and it is situated in params panel. So parameters is the right answer. Which of the following term represents grouping things together? It means to combine two or more than two layers. Well, the options are cluster, inline, parameters, and encapsulation. And the correct answer is encapsulation. Now, which of the following terms represent the different levels on which we place out objects stacked above and below each other? Well, the options are layer, frame, parameter, and panels. Levels on which we place out objects. So list of objects, that is layers panel A. So the correct answer is layer. Now gradient, blur, distortion, and filter are type of which of the following components? Well, the options are frames, layers, keyframes, or panels. Actually all these are layers, different layers. So the answer is layer. Now next question: which of the following term represents the different levels on which we place this is repeated? So the answer is layer. Next, synfig layers are different from other animation software in dash aspects. So in how many aspects? So the options are 2, 3, 4, or 5. Well, the correct answer is 2. So it differs in two different aspects. We do not have a layer with dash effect. We do not have layer with dash effect. Well, the options are single, multiple, both A and B, or none. And the answer is B, multiple. It means any layer can have any one effect. So you cannot apply multiple effects to a single layer. So the answer is multiple. Next, a layer in synfig represents dash. Options are object, outline, image, or all of the above. It means whatever you add on canvas, that is a layer, and we can add any object or outline or image. So the answer is D, all of the above. Which of the following is a type of layer? Options are time bar, gradient, palette, or animate editing mode. Well, the answer is B, gradient. Gradient is a layer, where a time bar is a tool where you can see time, and it is divided into frames. Palette is used to apply color, and animate editing mode is a button that is used to start animation, to start recording. So gradient is such option. that is used to display some type of design on screen. So that is blend method parameter shows on dash panel. The options are properties, params, time track and curves, and the answer is B, params panel. Which of the following terms represent grouping things together? Options are cluster, inline, parameters or encapsulation. The correct answer is encapsulation. Next, which key is used to select gradient layer and the circle layer? So if you want to select two layers, then which key you should press? Alter, Control plus Alter, Control or Control plus Shift? Well, the correct answer is Control. So using Control key, you can select two or more than two layers at a time. So first of all, you have to click on any particular object or any layer, then you have to press Control key, and then you have to select another layer. So it will select both the layers. Encapsulate creates a new layer named dash. So when you select two layers using Control key and then right click over there and select encapsulation option, it will display a new name. So what it shows as new name? Inline canvas, online canvas, offline canvas or keyline canvas? Well, the answer is inline canvas. Next, in Synfig, rotation path is available with dash tool. As we have discussed about the animation, a particular circle is rotating on a given path, circular path that is given by us. So in that animation, the rotation path is available with which tool? Circle, beeline, line or round? See, we are discussing about the path and not the circle. So the answer is beeline. So using beeline option, we can create a particular path. Which key is used to clear the beeline? It means suppose you have created any path. Now you are not satisfied and you want to remove it. So using which key you can remove the beeline? You can using which key you can clear the beeline? So the options are Control, Escape, Break or Pause. Well, the correct answer is Escape, B. Next, which palette is used to select a color in Synfig? If you want to change the color of a layer, then which option you should select? Well, the options are palette editor, palette color, palette option, or palette layer, and the correct answer is palette editor. Next, which menu option is used to add rotate layer? Options are left click, add layer, transform, rotate. First of all, remember that here we have to right click, so only B and D options we have to think about it. Right click, add layer, transform, rotate, or right click, new layer, transform, rotate. Well, the correct answer is D, right click, new layer, transform, rotate. Then, which feature is used to attach a vertex of an object to the vertex of a B line? Well, the options are link to B line, line to B line, link to line, or link to line. Well, the answer is A, link to B line. Next, which colored line is seen around the canvas indicating that the animation mode is on? When you click on animate editing mode, and when it becomes on, it shows red colored line, remember. So options are green, blue, red, or black. Well, the correct answer is red. Next, which mark of the following is the starting position in the timeline? Starting position in timeline: 0F, 0S, 1F, and 1S. See, remember, in timeline, every second is divided into frames, into 24 frames, and the frame calculation starts from 0. So the correct answer is 0F. So now this chapter number 4 has been completed. Now only chapter number 5, last chapter of Synfig remains. Then we have to start Linux operating system in the next session. So we will complete chapter number 5 and then we will start Linux operating system. Thank you.